I want to show you what is cause a lot of things to make all of this turn into a hurricane. One thing we know about all of these things, you can see all of these in the black area, you can see little storms by side of the Africa, but that's when it's into the warm water. There's any no shear and lots of warm temperatures and really warm water vapors, and also not lots of dry air. You get a good system. Those system improves lots of a way to show you what is going on right now. All of these things need to improve. All of these things get a little bit stronger or not, but it's very fair. No one is what is going on all of these topical, because these topical goes in and go whatever they want to go to direction, but we don't know what is going on. But the weather models will guide us. We still don't know, but it's help us. Oh, there's like a future. What is this go? But we still don't know what is all lots of particle, lots of hurricanes. There's really a hard know what's going on. All of these threats for these hurricanes. Why we know it's pretty sure we need to keep an eye on it. This is your European model about what is going on the satellite, about all of these topical. We know about it, but we still what is going on next. We don't know about what's lies ahead. Like example about the hurricane, the next one like Aya, one is look like it could be category 3, but we don't know will be a category 4 or a category 5 hurricane. We still don't know because there's a lot of dependent how much water precipitation will go up, because sometimes this hurricane will be very slow, sometimes will be really fast, sometimes with other hurricanes. This is why we need to keep on all of these models. Pretty sure this is going to be correction or not. This is will be a part 1 about my videos, but this is the tutorial what you know about hurricanes, but extreme weather out here.